Welcome to my wonderful floral workshop, you very, very special people. Now today I'll be demonstrating how to put together a bridal posy. Can't wait to get started. It's so simple, all the steps are step by step, easy to put together steps. I promise it's going to be very easy to put together. Now the floral arrangement that we're going to be making is a radial handheld posy. So it's not one of those waterfall arrangements which are wired. It's really, really simple to put together, and you can get it put together just under 20 minutes, I promise. Now the flower that I'm going to be using in today's floral workshop is Sweet William. It comes from the carnation family, and that's how you spell it up on the board. The equipment and the sundries that I'll be using today is the secateurs, scissor, pearl tip pens and pot tape. So not a lot of equipment to be using, and that's why I promise you it's going to be really, really easy and fast to put together.